Herbal squad when me pull up. Big 45 in a car clip full up a gal dep on the front seat. Feeling me, hey. She bring another friend, where you bring another friend. Oh God.
Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
Oh. Intro and I thought was a chat, yo.
No, that's it.
You play the line.
In the other intro, just make it up as
No, but no, so same stable. You play the line. You intro and you have that old.
Yeah, the intro. What full?
Boom.
Second board is a board you want right now. Alright, where you want to go on?
Yo.
Yeah.
Yeah, but no. Me, I do this, I'm looking bit aggro.
Alright, just fix them for now. Ready?
Yo. Them, but no. Me, I do this, I'm looking bit aggro. Lyrics to number 2.
Alright, so do back them 2 lines then. Do this from Michael and Grow. Lyrics number 2.
Them, but no. Me, I do this, I'm little and aggro. Lyrics to number 2.
On the street and I hear about the people I sing back the song like 10 choir. Sure, yeah, we ready every time. On the floor when we find that very fine. We got girls like every kind. And me there focus on what is mine.
Lyrics to number 2.
Alright.
Road in it. You're longer than a sword in that. Yeah. Stronger than a board in that. Whoop. Lyrics overload. Yeah, lyrics for top.
Vlogger, so we're there in the dark. We just left the studio. As you clearly can see. You know what I mean? Jay there, you don't know.
Hello.
Sing Jay there.
Gunny.
You know what I mean? Kaden there.
We don't know about that.
Yeah man, on the earbud. The song them, is it? So stay tuned.
We're going to check in January. Fritters Friday.
We're going to Fritters Fridays.
See what's happening.
Of course, me ever go there, I guess. It's all about fritters.
It's all about fritters.
All about it.
They're eating shaped chicken.
I'm eating shaped chicken.
They know what I call it hot dog. I want this.
And lay that Chinese people eat that. The shaped chicken. So anyway, vlogger, I'm there. And good, I feel a little better now, vlogger. I'm supposed to stream from night, but we train and I have to come out of that place. I decide, so I have to push my body. They are not already.
He's eating the hot dog.
Shaped chicken.
The hot dog.
Yes, I know I have the same shirt when you see me in our vlog. But me no business on my shirt. No business, don't watch the vlog then. That me I make you know. But anyway, vlogger, go and join with your boy. The team just go get home, you know. Yeah. I have one sick teeth. Vlog world. I saw for the do surgery pan. I take it out. One of my wisdom teeth. I bother me for a while and kinda have one little crack on it too. It actually broke. So I have to take a heap of painkiller for it, but yeah, I reach home from my studio. You know what I mean? I want all I want to go look out for all heap of things that can happen, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, take a tablet and no rest. You know what I mean, vlogger? So, I'm come out of that there. Yeah. Some of the vlogger. I never know go out to this guy's studio, but shut up, superstar. I know with me. I know voice no song yet. Not yet. We soon get the songs them, is it? But anyway, vlogger, I'm there. And yeah, tomorrow morning we can start off the day again and kick off the day, is it? So I just go and kick it back. Take a tablet, eat some food. And go and take it easy. You know, they are chat foolishness. Go and take it easy. So just go and journey with the boy. Is it? Whoop. Girl. Yo, me have to go. Yo, me can't sleep tonight. Yo, the same teeth when I'm telling you about vlog world. Where the upper molar teeth do I have the crack, which is one of the wisdom teeth to the back. Yo, me can't take no more pain. From here so, vlog world, go all the way around to here so, down here so, I'll be a pain, right so, I'll be a pain. Advil, me take Advil and not do nothing, me feel some excruciating pain. Yo, as me get up in the morning, yo, me go do surgery and take out that teeth. Me never want to fix it. Yo, it'll come out of my head right now. And then, yo, me say, yo, me have to call my friend, aka my cousin, Christine, big up Mackie, who a dentist. Yo, me going on, man, I'm going to take my grandma after 2. Yo, them pain are not normal. Them pain are not normal. I feel some holy pop. My mother tell me if you about you must swallow and gaggle it. Yo, that not vex me, vex you, man. But yo, black girl, one thing about me pain trigger my rage, you know, man. Yo, so all right, that's along me. I talk to me, black girl. I be your pain. Yeah, man, I emergency, man, go right now, man. Say, yo, when you go and join me, get boy, is it? I'm a vlogger, so I'm going, so I have to wait till you know, man, I have to tough it out of the roughest night ever. Rough piece of night. You know what I mean, like it get worse. Even the painkillers, them not even not work, so good, I don't know, as I say. That teeth here, one at the back, is one of the molar teeth, so you know call it wisdom teeth. So it'll be my upper right, your upper left if you look. Yeah man, it broke, you know what I mean? So the nerve them are show, so but they are try to get through to my people them who or our dentist we get through to my next people so we can go link her and she can get this thing out. You know what I mean? Big up my family and my peeps them, you see it. Yeah man, it hot man. But when you go on journey with your boy, you see it. I'm going to vlog world there. At the dentist now. I'm going to sort out my teeth. Yeah, we'll see what's happening. What's going on. You might, I hope it's not infected or anything like that, guys, because that means it's another 5 days to 7 days. I have to wait again. And I also want to sort out all of this. Yeah, so I'm there. So let's go and journey with the boy. That's it. Alright guys, so we're there. I do check up on this right now. Yeah, they might both to do x-ray, but they did it already, so I'm just waiting to see what they're saying. But they are black boy, so I'm wait and see what I want. So yeah, let's go and journey with the boy indeed. Oh good. So I don't know where we are now. I have to go so. My friend, no one half our family. He's like, you wonderful person. I'm going to take it on. Jesus, well, nakasuano. No, sir. Nakasuano, mati. Everybody, I want to introduce you guys to my awesome friend, Miss Powell, Dr. Powell, who have manners. When you come here, don't say sign us friend. Yes, please. My beautiful doctor. My long time friend.
Nobody can really hear you clearly, you know that.
Yeah, I know. I mean, try everything. I love her. Good people. Good people. Take good care of me. The procedure was good. Yo, me, we have got chatter. When we go back, we have got chatter. We have got chatter. I'm tell you how she good. How long we know her. You want to spit?
You can't spit. You have to just lean to the side. When in the bathroom, you have hands on in there, just lean to the side and make it run out. No spitting. You see, the dry socket is hotter than the teeth way that hurts you. Make sure when you're taking out the glass tail, it's wet, not dry. If that thing ever pop, your piece spur button by the dozen. Ever hear it inside there?
Black girl, so I just reach home. Yeah. So they arrest now. As you clearly can see, so I'm very exhausted. I'll forget 2 more shots again because it start paying me back again. Yeah. Big up Miss Powell, my friend, you know what I mean? AKA my Paris Sully. You know what I mean? Respect me, appreciate you. Appreciate everything you do for me. You help me and save me. Big up yourself, Christine, cause family. You know what I mean? Big up yourself. Made it stress out. I'm gonna feel so relieved. Hold on. Be a medicine. Take some medicine and some things in this library. Get some more gas and we get all this. We get this look like the antibiotics them, and then the next one of the painkiller. Yeah. If I take them on there. So yeah, I can't talk too loud. I have to rest my mouth. So I can't do no training or nothing. And so I must just relax and get rest. And them thing the black girl. So my day that I gotta do my just relax. I have to just eat on the side here. For now. And want to take it easy. Yeah man, my frosty take a lot out of me. I mean kinda still hurt me out at me. Like yeah man, so I get some rest. And I just go and journey with your boy. You see it, Black World.
Happy, happy, happy. I just wanna be happy, yeah.